whiskers in my mouth. Alright. The whiskers are tickling my mouth. How you doing? How you doing, little girl? You like cuddling with mama? Hey, little girl. Summer rain, doo doo doo. Summer, summer, doo doo doo. Little girl. It's just me and little Summer Raine. I gotta get up. Oh. Hi. Say hi. Say hi to everybody. You my little sweetie? Yeah, it's just me and little Summer Raine. I've got to get up and do stuff. I gotta go to the post office. I gotta get up and do stuff. Just comfortable. And plus, she's cuddled up here with me. Oh, it was so cold last night. I had to sleep in a hoodie. Random times the heat is on. Oh, you leaving? Are you leaving, Mama? Bye. She's leaving. She's like, wait a minute, am I on the tube? Yeah, sometimes the heat is on, sometimes it's not. Sometimes I gotta sleep with a hoodie on, my pajamas, pants, socks, and then sometimes during the night I take the stuff off because it gets hot. So, but it's actually, what, is it the second day of spring or the first day of spring? I forgot. I think spring is the 21st. Or is it? Oh, today the 20th. I don't know. Whatever. Then I want to go to Dollar Tree. But I don't feel like getting up. You can see my candle over there. I don't know if I can see that over my shoulder there. I've been burning that all night. Sometimes the Dollar Tree candle, and that's the Crackling Fire one, Luminescence Crackling Fire one, works really good. Like, maybe this is just a weak one, but every time I've gotten the Luminescence Crackling Fire, I've had success with it. Nice, good smell, and for some reason, this one is like so weak. But that's my only one for Dollar Tree I like. I don't like any of those others. Like, I really don't. I don't know much about, because I don't want to waste my dollar. I know it's just $1. I don't want to waste my dollar buying the candles. And they have a good cold scent. And then you take it home and it sucks. So I already have a bunch of candles here. I have the Peach Bellini or whatever that one is that I got before. No throw on it at all. And I have 2 other ones, not from Dollar Tree. The Jolly Rancher ones, they suck. They're so horrible. No scent at all. And I mean, yeah, you can keep candles around just because you need some light. And me, I need my night light when I go to bed. But I want a 2-in-1 deal. I want some night light when I go to sleep, and I want it to smell good. So I'm really, I don't know. I can't afford to go to Bath and Body Works and get those big candles, you know? And those, they're expensive, but yeah, they're expensive. Anyway, I need to get my butt up and do stuff. All right, everybody. Take care. Stay sweet. Where's Summer Raine? You see her? Where is she? I don't know if you can see her. I got so much teddy bears and shit on my bed. Y'all can see her? All right, everybody. Bye. And after the video ended and I turned the other way, she came back. She does that. If I face one way, she'll come to that side. And I face the other way, she comes to the other side. Summer Raine, you came back? Summer. Summer, I gotta get out of bed, girlfriend.
Well, then get out of bed then. Don't let me stop ya.
It's so cozy.
You're so cozy.
My girl.
My girl.
Okay, for reals, I'm gonna get up. Stay sweet, folks. This is it. Bye. Hi, Summer.
Say bye.